Welcome to GearShift Hacks. Today, we will guide you through the steps to change a tire safely and efficiently. Step 1. Find a safe and flat location to change your tire. Turn on your double indicator lights and use a wheel wedge or a brick or stone to secure the car in place on the rear wheels. Basically, something to keep the car in place. Step 2. Gather your spare tire, a lug wrench and a car jack. These tools are normally located in the trunk or boot. Step 3. Use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by turning them counterclockwise. Step 4. Use the jack to lift the car, placing it at the recommended jack points that's underneath your car. It's normally a metallic point that's strong and firm. If you fail to identify the spot, you can check the car's user manual. It will be able to help you identify the spot. Step 5. Remove the lug nuts and pull off the flat tire. Step 6. Install the spare tire. Align the spare tire with the bolts and push it into the hub. Step 7. Screw on the lug nuts by hand in a crisscross pattern. That means after fastening one lug nut, the next one should be directly opposite, and you do the same for all the rest. Step 8. Use the lug wrench to slightly tighten the lug nut. Step 9. Lower the car, remove the jack, and then tighten the lug nuts until they are firm. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the flat tire. Remember to have your flat tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.